Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, in this video I am going to be showing you this project that I did for a client, this order. You guys, it is Ninja Turtle themed. You guys are going to be like, oh my god. Well, I'm proud of it. Anywho, I'm just going to show you guys the regular stuff that I did for it. Some of the custom items. You have your coloring books, your custom coloring books with the custom custom crayons. And then I did Snickers, lollipops. Of course, we have what? Bubbles over here, and we have our chip bags. Okay, now let's get on to what I think is really awesome that I want to share with you all. Okay, so you guys know in my last project or order that I did, it was Avengers themes, and I put it in like these party favor bags right here. You can get these off of Amazon. They're freaking awesome. Well, guess what, you guys? In this order, when I went on Amazon, I would not receive the bags in time that her order needed to be filled. So I was like panicking because I only gave myself like 4 days to fill this order of like 12 goodie bags, which you guys know is not enough time to really be mailed out anything. So I was panicking, like, what the frick am I going to put all this stuff in? Like, I told this woman I could do these party favor bags. What am I going to do? You guys, look what the frick I did. Look at these. I did pizza boxes. Ah, look at it. You guys, look at it. It is stinking cute. Oh my goodness. You guys, and it, like, yeah, there's stuff on all of the sides. I put everything on each side, as well as this on the top. You guys, I'm so proud of that, okay? Like, I'm really proud of it. I'm going to show you, this is the pizza box. And then, of course, the kids are going to get it. They're going to take it home. But it's going to be filled with, like all of the party favors. I'm still not done putting the stuff in there, but I'm going to put all the party favors down inside of that. Now, let me show you guys what the boxes look like. This is pretty much what the boxes look like. They're just a plain white bacon box. I don't know what it was. I just turned it and made it look like a pizza box. But I'm going to leave the link for these boxes in the description. I got them from eBay. No, I did not. I'm lying. That's a lie. I got them off of Amazon. They were like close to $15 for 15 of them. And it's a 9-inch. That way that you're able to create a template for the front. You guys, freaking adorable. Now, I did not tell the lady that I did this, so I'm hoping that she's okay with it. I don't know. I'm hoping she's okay. I'm hoping she loves it. But yeah, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I just want to show you guys what I was doing and what I've been up to. And now I'm going to start uploading videos now that I have this done and out of the way. I'm back. I'm all you guys. I belong to you. So, yeah. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.